For those who has been requesting for the part C video, so this is the part C video. This video will comprise of the question 5 and the question 6, and that's all the questions I have for you. So if you have not watched the part A, part B, please do well to watch it. This is the 6 questions I'm giving out. Question 1 to question 6. So I've given question 1, 2 in the part A, 3, 4 part B, and 5 and 6 for the part C, and that will be my last video concerning chemistry. So my next video is going to be on physics, biology, Greek, and some other subject as well. All right, so go through this question, ensure you read this question, look at the question very well. I'm very sure my handwriting is clear enough for you to see. So let's solve the question here to make this video shorter and faster. So let me read this place rather. My name still remain Matt Kim. So our consultation or mentorship fee is 5,000 naira if you want to join. So do well to send a message to this WhatsApp number. I mean those that wrote JAM this year, or this one, any of the WhatsApp number 68435809. And also for those who want to join our master class, chemistry practical master class, in that master class is going to hold on May 19, so by 7 p.m. and then we'll be looking into the SWOT analysis aspect, and I'll be explaining a lot of things. We are using Zoom. People have been paying, they have been joining the group. So once we clock 100 participants, we no longer accept payment again. Now looking at this question here very well. Now look at this question very well. So let me see solution here. So okay, this is number 5. All right, this is very well. So concentration of A in mole per dm cube is equals to 0.103 mole per dm cube. So for the x gram, so we know the concentration of B in gram per dm cube is equals to x gram per dm cube, as you can see. So volume of B, that's 25 cm cube. Remember, volume of A is 12.14 cm cube. Majority of you remember now. So go and watch part A and part B so that you understand what I'm saying. So volume of A is this. Then what again from this question? Look at it, read instruction. So portion using phenolphthalein as indicator. So read it then. Okay. So question number 1 says that we should calculate the amount of H2SO4 in the average volume of acid use. That's the VA. So number 1 says that we should calculate the amount of what? The amount of H2SO4. So amount means number of mole. Number of mole means amount, and N equals to what? CV. N equals to CV. So what is the concentration? That is of A, that's 0.103. And what's the volume? 12.14. But convert it to dm cube divided by 1000. So if I should do this, then this is going to be 12.14 divided by 1000. So can you see that now? Okay, so that will be 0.103 multiplied by 0.01214. So let me do that times 0.10, sorry, 0.103. Yeah, can you see that? So what does that give? That gives 0.00125. So the number of mole equals 0.0012, okay, 125 mole. Oh, sorry, my camera. Okay, let me try. It's back. All right. So the answer for number 1 is the amount of H2SO4. The amount of H2SO4, as you can see, amount of H2SO4 is what? This is the mole. Now for number 2 says that we should calculate the concentration of B in mole per dm cube. All right. So that one for this number 2 now, we'll be using this CAVA over CBVB equals to NA over NB. So we are looking for CB, right? Concentration of B mole per dm cube, isn't it? So let's now use CB equals to CAVANB over VBNA. So what is CA? CA is 0.103 C multiplied by VA is 12.14. 12.14. So what about NB? Now look at the equation of the reaction. So our NA is 1, NB is 2, isn't it? So NB is 2. So 2 over, our VB is 25, our NA is 1. From here, 1 and 2, that's the NA and B. So let's do the multiplication. So that will be 0.103 multiplied by 12.14 times 2. So that gives 25 on dot. So that gives 2.5 rather. 2.50084. Look at it there, that's 2.5. Can you see 2.500? So that's 2.5 over 25. 2.5 divided by 25. That gives 0.1. Can you see that? 0.1. So that is 0.100. Okay, let me put 00 mole per dm cube. So that's the answer for the number 2. Number 3 says you should find the value of x. So what does this x represent? This x, what does it represent? So that x simply means that is the III. That x means concentration. I will use this formula. Concentration of B in mole per dm cube is equals to concentration of B in gram per dm cube over molar mass of B. So what is B? B is NaOH, right? So the molar mass is 40. You calculate it by saying 23 plus 16 plus 1. That is 40 gram per mole. That's molar mass, isn't it? So I'm looking for the x. X means concentration of B in gram per dm cube. That's what x represents. So if I should cross multiply, I'm looking for this one in gram per dm cube. So if I should cross multiply, that will give me concentration of B in gram per dm cube is equals to concentration of B in mole per dm cube times molar mass. So what is concentration of B in mole per dm cube? That is 0. B, that is 0.1. 0.100. So that will be 0.100 times, what's the molar mass? 40. So what does that give? 0.100 times, which is here, times 40. That is what? 4.0. Can you see? 4.0. So that is 4.00 gram per dm cube. So meaning that x means 4.0. So that's the answer. So we are done with everything here, as you can see. That's all concerning this place. Now let's move to question number 6. So this question number 6. Also look at it, read it very well. Have a look at it. Let me rule this paper. So have a look at it, read it very well. So this is the solution. Okay, the solution is here. Now let's interpret the parameters given. So the concentration of A in gram per dm cube, that's 10.1 gram per dm cube, right? So the acid is H2S. Okay, what about concentration of B in gram per dm cube? That is also 4.0 gram per dm cube. As you can see, 4 gram of NaOH per dm cube. That is 4 gram of NaOH per dm cube. Okay, so okay, with the head, our VB is 25 cm cube. What about our VA? Our VA is 12.14 cm cube. Okay, so let's read the instruction. Okay, tabulate your reading. Okay. So yeah, number 1 says that you calculate the concentration of B in mole per dm cube. So number 1, concentration of B in mole per dm cube of B in mole per dm cube. So that will be equals to concentration of B in what? In gram. I'm writing the formula per dm cube all over molar mass of B. So what does that concentration of B in gram per dm cube is? That's 4.0, right? 4.0 gram per dm cube. Molar mass of B, that's sodium hydroxide, so that's 40. Molar mass of B, that is what? 40. So now let me divide 4 divided by 40, 0.1. So the concentration of B in mole per dm cube is 0.10. You can put 0 mole per dm cube. That's the answer for that. Alright. So now for the second one, says to calculate the concentration of A in mole per of solution A in mole per dm cube. So for number 2, that one we are now going to use the CA. Okay. Okay, so we're using the CA VB equals to NA over NB. Alright. So okay, NA NB. So therefore you are looking for CA this time around, right? That will be CA will be equals to CB VB NA over VANB. So what is CB? 0.1. What's VB? 25. What is NA? That means number of acid is 1, number of base is 2 from the equation of the reaction. So NA is 1 over VA is 12.14 and NB number of base is 2. So let's do this mathematics. So this is times 25 times 1. That is 2.5. 2.5 all over. So 12.14 times 2. That is 24.28. So 24.28. So let's divide. 2.5 divided by this, divided by answer. So that is what? 0.103. Can you see that? So that is 0.103 mole per dm cube. So that's the concentration of the acid in mole per dm cube, which we have done a concentration of solution A in mole per dm cube. So for the number 3, which is the number 3 question, that one says that the molar mass of the acid, molar mass of X2X. So to calculate that one, that will be concentration of A in mole per dm cube is equals to concentration of A in gram per dm cube all over the molar mass of A, which we are looking for. So mole per dm, so let me cross, okay, fine, let me cross multiply. So the molar mass which we are looking for, molar mass of A will now be equals to concentration of A in gram per dm cube all over concentration of A in mole per dm cube. So what's the answer for the gram per dm cube? That is 10.1. As you can see, 10.1. So here is 10.1 gram per dm cube over mole per dm cube is 0.103. 0.103 mole per dm cube. So now let's do the division. That will be 0.103 divided by what? Sorry, 10.1 divided by 0.103. So that gives 98.05. So that is 98 point, let's say 0.0, gram per mole. So that's the molar mass. And you know that means this H2X now is going to be H2SO4. H2SO4, because if you calculate the molar mass of H2SO4, it will give you 98. So by saying 1 times 2 plus 32 plus 16 times 4, so everything gives you 98. So that's everything I have for you from question 1 to question 6. Abba, you should attempt all these questions very well. Definitely your exam should not be difficult for you concerning this titration aspect. So I've done my part, I've done my best, I've done what I can do to help students. I don't do examination malpractice, I don't partake in runs, I don't do runs, I don't do malpractice, I don't leak paper out. What I do is that I teach students on this my channel so that students can learn, students can achieve, students can attain their best by their efforts. So through learning and not through examination malpractice. So please do well to share this video to all other students who are planning to write WAEC 2026 this year. You understand? Planning to write chemistry practical. And subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading more videos on chemistry practical, physics practical, Greek, English, math, further math, and some other subject as well. Share this video to all other students, and I wish you best of luck in your exam. Bye.